All right, people, today is the 19th, July 2023. The skies have been so fucked up. It's insane. And they keep trying to blame it on the Canadian wildfires. I don't think so. We know where it comes from. It comes from the same fucking place every day. Every day. No more blue skies, no more sunshine. Perpetual darkness. Notice everybody's lights are on. It's fucking 8 o'clock in the morning. All of the energy companies are in on the scam. The chemical companies, the energy companies. They're all in on the green energy scam. Blaming all these weather events on climate change. They're engineering the climate. The patents go back to the 1890s. Look it up. It's not hidden. There is no excuse for the bullshit that's going on in this world today. The only reason it's going on is because we let these people in power do it. Now, if you drug them out, strung them up, it would stop. And the next asshole that does it, string him up. That's how you get things done, people. You stole a man's horse back in the day, you hung. End of story. That means you can never do it again, doesn't it? All the energy companies are excessively dumping off their waste and always trying to pin it on something else. No, I don't think so. Too much video documentation, too many pictures. If it's not coming out of the coal-fired plants, it's being sprayed out of military aircraft. Or anything else that's coal-fired for that matter. Corrugated paper mills, refineries, petrochemical plants. So they're polluting the waterways, the air, which in turn pollutes everything. Humans, animals, soil. The weather forecasts the emissions of these plants with hourly accuracy every single day. There's no coincidence. It forecasts the emissions of the plants and or the spray planes. What do you think the catalyst is in the spray planes to make clouds? The same thing as right here. Liquefied coal ash mixed in with a JPA jet fuel. There's no nozzle inside the turbines. It's in the fuel. Now we're having rolling blackouts here. Energy is infinite. Okay? You don't even know that any of these power plants make any power. They could be tapping the ether or the earth and sending it through the lines. Hell, it could be going wirelessly to you. You'd never know. We'll never know because they tore down Tesla's wireless towers. So it's funny, they got wireless towers everywhere for phones. That's energy, but you can't do it to power your home. You see where that is? Okay, that's how fucking dumb the whole thing is. Greed, 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 greed. All there is to it. There's no such thing as a blue sky here. It's either black, brown, white, whatever the emissions of the coal plants are, that's what dictates the color of the sky. How can they have the audacity to put out a cloud book and claim that the clouds are natural when they're obviously not? When the planes aren't spraying and the emissions are dissipating off the tops of the towers and the coal plants, there isn't a cloud in the sky. But you know what? That doesn't happen anymore. It's perpetual shit. Now the dirtbags at the Marshall Steam Station, they're not gonna tell the truth because they got to cover their phony baloney jobs, pay the extortion income tax. Call up there, they'll hang up on you, or they'll tell you to call Puke Energy, and then you'll get hung up on 9,000 times, shifted around to 27 assholes, and get nowhere. Bennett, been there, done it, blah, blah, blah. The overdevelopment here is grotesque. Apartments, condos, storage units everywhere. You know why? Because it's a rental world. You will not own property. Now, how are they going to achieve that? With the Green Initiative. They're going to come in every year and say, well, your house has got to have better insulation, a better roof, better foundation. You don't meet all the green standards. You're going to have to improve it. When you can't, and you can't afford to, they're going to take it. Or you're going to bury yourself in debt to do it, and you won't be able to make the payments, and then they'll take it.